Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shubhada Group of Education Sirsi. You are watching Satish Sir's physics videos for Karnataka CET and NEET. Look at the next problem on logic gates. The following circuit represents OR gate, AND gate, XOR gate, NAND gate. Okay, so in such type of the problems given, please get to know what is the output at each and every stage. And finally, we have to get the expression at the final stage. It is what y here. Okay, so let's try to do that. Now here the inputs are a and b. Now the input of the this is what NOT gate, and this is also a NOT gate, and the output of that should be the complement of the input, and here it should be the complement of the input b bar. Okay, so now the a will be flowing here like this, and here it should be a, and here b should be the flowing here, and this should be what b again here. So the inputs to this OR gate, sorry, not that is not a OR gate, that should be the AND gate, correct? That should be the AND gate here, AND gate, and this is again a AND gate. Okay, AND gate. The inputs are a bar b, so that's the reason why output should be a bar and b, and here the output should be in the second case. So this is the inputs are a and b bar here, so that's the reason why a and b bar. Okay, so these are the two inputs to the which gate? It should be the OR gate, correct? OR gate, OR gate. So that's the reason why y should be equal to a bar b plus a b bar, correct? This one. The options are given as OR gate, AND gate, XOR gate, and NAND gate are given. Clearly, what it belongs to which gate? XOR gate. So that's the reason why option C, option B must be the right answer for this question. Okay, so that's the reason why I will get y equal to a bar dot b or a dot b bar. Okay, so this should be the output for. So we have studied about the XOR gate, right? XOR gate. For this one, y equal to a XOR b, and this should be equal to a bar b and sorry or a b bar. So that should be the right answer for this question. In the previous video lectures, I have introduced you about Unacademy special classes as well as Unacademy plus subscriptions, correct? If you take the Unacademy plus subscription, there are a number of benefits for you. There are premium content at affordable price, structured live courses plus dedicated live doubt clearing sessions and quizzes at regular intervals for self-analysis, batches for the complete preparation, test series for DPPs, full length mocks, etc. with analysis, and the single subscription will allow you to access unlimitedly. Okay, that is what unlimited access. Okay, so everything under the single plus subscription. Suppose if you use my code Satish 2020, you get an extra 10% off on the course fees. Okay, so here are some best plans for Karnataka CET 2021 aspirants. There are 12 months package at just rupees 12,375, and there is a 6 months plans at just rupees 10,125 rupees. Okay, if you use my code Satish 2021, you will get extra 10% off again, 10% off on the course fees. Okay, so try to enroll to the plus subscription offered by Unacademy. Look at the next problem. The following truth table belongs to which of the following 4 gates? Okay, so here you are getting the input for 1 1, the output is 0, and if it is 1 and 1, again the output is 0, and if it is 0 and 1, you are getting the output as 0, and for 0 0, you are getting the output as 1. Clearly for NOR gate 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, right? For NOR gate we do have which one? 0 0 0 1 1. Let me take the new phrase. Okay. 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. Clearly we are getting option A. Exactly, it should be a NOR gate. For NOR gate, if both the inputs are 0, then only you will get the output as 1. So that's the reason why NOR gate should be the right answer for this question. Option A. Suppose if it is a NOR gate, let me check one by one now. A, B, Y. Okay. Suppose if it is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, at that time for NOR gate, what is the output? For NOR gate, output is 0 0 0 1, right? Sorry, I made a mistake. It seems for NOR gate it should be opposite of that, correct? So for NOR gate it is 1 1 1 0. Okay, for NOR gate it should be 1 0 0 0. Is it or not? Yes, exactly. So is it the right answer for this one? Yeah, I hope that option A should be the right answer for this. As you know that if the input is 0 0, 0 or 0 is 0 and complement of that is 1 here, and 0 or 1 that is equal to output is 1 and output complement is 0. For all remaining also it is 0 only. So that's the reason why if for NOR. So thank you very much for watching this video. I will upload few more videos on problems on logic gates. Please do watch them as well. Please do like this video, share this video with your friends and colleagues to support us. Please do subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, make a comment on the comment box so that I can help you with. Wish you all the best for examinations. Thank you.